Hello everyone, looking for a quick and beautiful crochet? Let's crochet this super cute flower bookmark with long stems and little leaves in just a few minutes. Perfect for gifts, book lovers, teachers and craft pairs. Turn your leftover yarn into this beautiful crochet bookmark. Materials: you will need 4-ply cotton yarn, maybe yellow, red, pink, color of your choice, green color for stem and leaves, hook 2.5 to 3.5 mm, scissors and yarn needle. Create a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, please visit my previous videos for magic ring and slip stitch. Working into the magic ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. This forms first petal. Repeat around to create 4 more petals. Pull the magic ring tail tightly, pulling in all the petals and finish off. Cut the yarn and your cute little flower is ready to use. This small flower helps beginners practice magic ring, chain stitch, slip stitch, double crochet, working in rounds, petal shaping, and neat finishing. Easy crochet items you can decorate with this flower, such as tote bags, hair clips, hair bands, greeting cards, baby booties, jewelry, keychains, borders to shawls or mats, and of course bookmark as shown here. Use green yarn for leaf and stem. Start with chain 7. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next one. Half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 1 on one side. Similarly, work on opposite side. Single crochet in the first stitch, half double crochet in the second stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and slip stitch to the first single crochet to complete the leaf. Continue 50 chains, the length of the bookmark, and finish off. Insert your hook at the back center of the flower and sew the stem securely in place. Attach stem to flower as shown in the video and weave in the ends neatly and trim off excess yarn. You can use any kind of fabric glue available to you to hide unwanted excess yarn. I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I enjoyed demonstrating to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your crochet loving friends. Which color combination should I make next? Tell me in the comments. Keep those hooks moving and let your creativity boom. Bye. Happy crocheting from Arcus Studio by Vandana.